Welcome to art class. Today we're going to have fun hygiene activities. Are you ready?
Yay! Learn with Annie and Ben!
Woof, woof.
Hey kids! Did you know there's a new virus that originated in China and is now affecting people all over the world? It makes people unwell, and it's not so good. But don't you worry, we all can protect ourselves against it. It's simple. Follow these easy steps to maintain proper hygiene and keep your body healthy, fit, and fine. 1. If you see anyone with a cough, cold, or fever, don't get too close to them and suggest they visit a doctor immediately because that's what good friends do. 2. When you come home from school or from playing in the park, always wash your hands with warm water and soap. Clean hands are healthy hands. 3. Wash all your fruits and vegetables properly. Clean food is good food. 4. Whenever you go out, wear a mask and ask all your friends to wear one too, as we must not allow naughty germs to spread. 5. As we know, it is good manners to cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing with a paper napkin and saying, "Excuse me." Don't forget to throw the napkin away immediately after use. 6. It is best to stay at home and avoid those sneaky little germs. So play as many fun indoor games as you like. Read a book or draw and paint, and you may just discover something you're really good at. Yay! And kids, while we follow these steps, don't forget we have to make our bodies stronger too. And how are we gonna do that? By eating healthy food like vegetables and fruits, exercising regularly, and also going to bed on time. We are now ready to fight all those naughty germs and viruses around us. So take care of yourself, your family, and your friends, and we'll all be healthy, fit, and away from diseases. Yay! Have a great day! We had fun learning today with Annie and Ben.
Materials: you will need a marker, paper, and color pencils. So let's start. Take a marker and trace your left hand on the left bottom corner of the paper. You can do it much slower. Don't have to rush. You can leave the drawing as it is, or you can color it as well. But I will come back later to our hand, and now I'm going to draw a rectangular shape with round edges. That's going to be our soap to wash our hand. So it's a quite big piece I have, and I will do very cute eyes right now. So let's draw 2 circles with a small little circle inside. I will add eyelashes as well, and I want to do a smiley face. For my cute soap. Here I will leave a small piece on the bottom of a smiley mouth and shade it with a black marker. You can add eyebrows as well and cheeks. You can make a hair for your soap. So now I will do a small tiny bubble pattern around my soap. It will look like a flower. The pattern is ready now, and I'm going to take a color pencil. I will start with blue, and for each petal of our soap I will use different colors, so it will look like a rainbow. So each time when I'm going to wash my hands, I will really enjoy my rainbow, smiley, cute soap. The top of the soap, I'm going to shade with orange pencil. You can choose your favorite color and shade it as well, just the top. And let's continue with petals. The bottom of the soap, I'm going to shade with green. And the center of the soap, I will shade with maroon color, light maroon. I can say that it's cherry color, most probably. So my soap look very sweet. So I'm just continue adding some colors to each petal. And I believe a light blue pencil to last, so I can create a beautiful soap bubbles going to all the way to our hand. That's how we're going to wash our hands, with lots of funny bubbles. And now I think my hand is very happy and clean. That's why I'm going to draw for her a smiley face as well. Hope you enjoy my art class, and see you soon. Great job!